Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for July the 25th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Eli Lilly's second quarter profit surged 35% to $1 billion as sales increased 8% to $5.8 billion, besting analyst estimates of $5.6 billion. The company noted that the performance was led by strong revenue from new products, with sales of Trulicity jumping 139% to $480.2 million. Also in the news, Merck Co's Keytruda failed to show an improvement in overall survival versus standard treatment in patients with recurrent or metastatic head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. The anti-PD-1 therapy gained FDA accelerated approval in this setting last year, but the company said despite the failure of the KEYNOTE-040 trial, the current indication remains unchanged. In other news, Eli Lilly and Incyte indicated that a resubmission to the FDA seeking approval of Olumiant for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis will be delayed by at least 18 months. The companies noted that they will be further discussing the path forward and evaluating options for resubmission, including the potential for an additional clinical study as requested by the FDA. In addition, Biogen's second quarter sales climbed 6% to $3.1 billion, topping estimates of $2.8 billion, with growth led by multiple sclerosis products. Revenue from Tecfidera jumped 13% to $1.1 billion, while sales of the recently launched spinal muscular atrophy therapy Spinraza reached $203 million. And finally, Stada's executive board and supervisory board recommended that shareholders accept an improved takeover offer from private equity firms Bain Capital and Cinven. The new proposal, which stands at €66.25 per share, comes after a previous bid from Bain Capital and Cinven, valued at €66 per share, failed to secure enough backing from Stada's shareholders. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.